Music Box Kids Game, educational music game for kids. Choose an instrument to perform on, between a simple children's xylophone-like instrument with 8 keys for simpler melodies, and a piano with 23 tones for more advanced ones. Play the selected song on the instrument displayed on the touch screen, with a visual indication of the key to be pressed, and with a circle above the key that indicates the length of the note, smaller circle, shorter tone, bigger circle, longer tone. You can turn play mode on or off, with a button in the upper left corner, at any time so that the game plays the selected melody on its own. Game is showing your performance in playing the melody, indicating how many correct and false keys you pressed. Music Box Kids Game, educational music game for kids.